Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching this channel for the first time, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, and please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave positive comment and share. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely lemon drink and how to use lemon the correct way. First of all, lemon is a high source of vitamin C. And it's also helped to control weight loss and promote good health and boosts your immune system. It's good for preventing kidney stone and good to fight against anemia and reduce the risks of cancer. And it's also good for your digestive system. So I'm going to take you through the process. First, I'm going to take the zest off. You want to get a good lemon like this one, nice thick skin. So I'm going to set this aside. So this, I'm going to cut that up a bit. And also, a lot of people don't realize that the zest of the lemon have a lot of health benefits, such as it's good for your bone, and it's good for stress also, and it's good to take the toxic out your body. And it's good to maintain healthy oral hygiene. It's good for your skin also. So this, I'm gonna squeeze the juice out of it. This is one of the best ways to get the best health benefit out of the lemon. But it's personal preference, but also one of the best way. This way I'm doing it, you get a full benefit of it. Set this aside. See over here, that's about 3 cups of water. I'm just letting the water warm through. You don't have to let it boil. This now, I'm just going to chop these up. So for the skin, you can let it boil. So I'm gonna add the skin to the water over here. So as you see now, this is boiling, so I'm gonna turn it off. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some for the tea, and the rest I'm gonna show you how to make a lovely drink with it, or you can have it, let me just make some lovely lemon water. So for the tea, what you can do, and this is personal preference, just get some honey. Put a bit of honey in. Then you're gonna get some zest and add it in. And if you feel like you need a bit more zest in it, you can go ahead and add it. Now, you have this fresh lemon juice which squeezed earlier. You just put a couple of teaspoons in it, over it. You can even add a bit more zest. Have nothing to lose. Please remember to try this at home. It's very healthy. And then I'm going to show you can make some lemon water, or if you want to turn it into a drink, but it's personal preference. So with this, I'm going to add some ice. Then you pour the lemon juice in it. Add a bit of zest. The rest of lemon juice in it. Now, if you want, you can cut a piece of lemon. This is personal preference. You can add it on the side, or you can just leave it in it. Cheers to you all. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now I'm going to try both of them. This is very refreshing and healthy. Now, try the tea. This is both delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your support. Thanks for all your subscribers. Peace be unto you. Thank you.